Are you tired of dealing with a bald spot and longing for those lush locks again? You're not alone, but fret not. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 best ways to regrow hair on a bald spot fast. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our helpful tips. Today, we're diving into the topic of regrowing hair on a bald spot, so let's jump right in. 1. Minoxidil. This FDA-approved topical solution is clinically proven to stimulate hair regrowth. Simply apply it to the affected area twice a day for best results. 2. Essential oils. Certain essential oils like rosemary, peppermint, and lavender have shown promising results in promoting hair growth. Dilute them with a carrier oil and massage onto your scalp regularly. 3. Balanced diet. Your hair needs proper nutrition to grow. Incorporate foods rich in vitamins A, C, D, and E, as well as biotin and protein into your diet to support healthy hair growth. 4. Scalp massage. Massaging your scalp increases blood flow to the hair follicles, promoting growth. Spend a few minutes each day gently massaging the bald spot to stimulate regrowth. 5. Laser therapy. Low-level laser therapy has been shown to stimulate hair follicles and promote regrowth. Consider investing in a laser hair growth device for at-home treatment. 6. Onion juice. It might sound strange, but onion juice is rich in sulfur, which can boost collagen production and stimulate hair growth. Apply onion juice to the bald spot and leave it on for 15-30 minutes before rinsing. 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes that promote healthy hair growth and scalp health. Apply pure aloe vera gel directly to the bald spot and leave it on overnight for maximum benefits. 8. Hair supplements. Sometimes our bodies need an extra boost of vitamins and minerals to support hair growth. Consider taking supplements like biotin, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids to promote regrowth from within. 9. Stress management. Stress can contribute to hair loss, so it's essential to find ways to manage stress effectively. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to promote a healthy scalp environment. 10. Patience and consistency. Remember, regrowing hair takes time and consistency. Be patient and stick to your chosen treatment regimen for the best results. And there you have it, folks, the 10 best ways to regrow hair on a bald spot fast. Which method are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and share it with anyone you know who's struggling with hair loss. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.